เสร็จแล้ว
เดี๋ยวรอเดือดยังไม่หกเลยเนี่ย
หกนี่หกล้มอย่างเดียวล้มหนึ่งสิ่งดีๆ
ครับผม
I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time's in a rush. Leaves are falling down, but at least they grow back. While I'm on a one-way track. Now I know what it means to grow. Sometimes I understand I'm making all the wrong demands in life. It never pays in the end. But still I am here, moving on like before. I'm yearning to reach the shore. Now I know what it means to grow.
You could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you straight away. You don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed. You'll know, you'll know.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really
เช็ดความหวานขอ
matter
งชมพู่
while wishing for something better. I try to fix things